Welcome back to the channel TechTube. In this video, we're gonna focus on how to get the monthly coin premium on Webtoon. Now let's begin. Well, do note that in order to do so, you guys should be logged into your account. Now let's simply look at how to get the monthly coin premium. At the bottom right next to the My tab, you can see a button like this called as More. Click on it. And guys, this is it. This is the More section. At the very top, you are gonna see the coin section right here. Then right next to it, you can see this button called as Buy Coins. Click on it. And guys, this is it. Well, you can simply subscribe to the special offers. But right now, we're gonna focus on the monthly coin premium. Select whatever you wish. Let's say I select this one. Now it's gonna ask you to select the payment method. Simply add your details and as such, you will be subscribed to monthly coin premium. And guys, that's it. That's how we get monthly coin premium on Webtoon. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.